birthday party. Welcome back aboard the Busch Gardens Courtesy Tram. For your safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping all body parts in the tram, and please secure any loose articles.
Carter, did you have fun at the park? Yeah, it's awesome, huh? You like the tram ride? Cool.
Once again, remain seated at all times. On behalf of the Seaboard Entertainment Family, we'd like to thank you for visiting the Busch Gardens Tampa. We invite you to tell us about your experience today by visiting TramAdvisor.com, which has an online review. We sincerely hope you enjoyed your visit and hope that we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah, that's good. Tunnel under the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop. At that time, please gather all personal belongings and please watch your head and step as you exit to the driver's right-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop.
Well, yeah, it's the right one.
Folks, please remain seated. Once again, please remain seated. This is not the exit.
Huge parking lot. $20 for parking. Free parking with a season pass. Subscribe to see more videos. And like this one. Thanks, bye. Say bye-bye, Carter.
Bye-bye.